Hi there, I'm Armand Vaziri, one of the founders here at Peaze, and I'm going to show you how to use our API. So when you create a project with Peaze, upon signing up, you'll be granted a secret key that gives you authorization to your project. So I've got my secret key put here in the Postman, and I'm going to send a user's request to see all the users that I have associated with my project. And we can see that this is a fresh project with no users, so we're going to go ahead and create one with the post request. And we've created a user, which I can see some details of by doing a GET request with the ID of the user. And here we see that our user has no institution links. So let's go ahead and link up one of their crypto accounts. We can do that by using the users/user ID/auth portals endpoint to create an auth portal that the user will use to connect one of their institution accounts. This actually requires a success URL, which we'll use https://example.com and failure underscore URL. So what these two endpoints are doing is once their account is finished connecting, we'll redirect depending on if it's a success or a failure. So go ahead and create this auth portal and go ahead and copy this auth portal and drop it into our browser. Great, and here we can see that the auth portal has popped up. Currently we support Gemini and Coinbase in the sandbox. So let's go ahead and use Gemini. And Gemini pops up. The browser recognizes it's me, so I'm going to get one of these, but usually it would ask for my email and password. So let's go 870-4699, submit. And now Gemini is going to ask me that it's okay for me to link up my account with Peaze and give it these different accesses. I'm going to hit allow. And all this is what a user of one of our developers' apps would be doing. So we can see that we've hit the example on a success. And so if we go back to our endpoint, Postman, we can now view the user and see that an institution link for Gemini has been created here with them. And so we can take this institution link and do some pretty cool things with it. So we can go institution links / drop the ID of the institution link. And let's see the orders of this account. For not found, get. I believe this might be a post request. Oh, sorry, let's see. Institution oh, I have a typo. Sorry about that. Institution links here. And we can see an array of the orders that this account has. Now let's go ahead and place a buy order for some Bitcoin. So this requires having a symbol, which we stated we want some Bitcoin. An amount. Let's go ahead and buy, let's say 2 Bitcoin. Price. In order to make sure that this executes, we have to price it high because this will be a maximum price on a buy. So let's say 60,000 is the maximum we're willing to pay for Bitcoin. And since it's much lower than that, we should be able to connect virtually immediately. And side, we're placing a buy. Let's go ahead and place this order. Insufficient funds. Oh, I don't have enough money for that. So let's go ahead and do 1/10 of a Bitcoin. Great, our order's gone through and this provides the data we want, but let's say in the future we wanted to see the details of this. We could hit a GET request with the order ID. And there we go. We can see the details of the order here. And let's go ahead and view the balance of our account after we've bought some Bitcoin. So institution / balances. Great, Bitcoin. And yep, awesome. So we can see our balance now is 1001.2994. Let's remember that as we're going to place a sell now. So let's do orders In the body, let's do a sell. And the balance of our Bitcoin right now is 1,001. So let's actually just sell 10 Bitcoin. And you're going to want to place the pricing on this on the opposite. So this is the lowest amount we're willing to sell our Bitcoin for. And let's just say $1 so that we make sure this goes through. On a post request, we'll send this out. And there we go. We see that our order has been created. And let's go ahead and view our balance now and make sure that it did indeed go through. Yep, so we see our Bitcoin has decreased by the amount that we just sold it for, from 1,001, or was it 1,002? Not sure, to 996. So yeah, there's a lot more that our API can do, but that's all for our demo today. Thanks.